Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Acer 2023 Aspire Vero AV14 14-inch FHD Business Laptop. This sleek and powerful device is designed for professionals and offers a range of features that make it an excellent choice for productivity and entertainment. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its design, display, processor, memory, storage, graphics, keyboard, trackpad, connectivity, speakers, battery life, cooling, webcam, operating system, and more. So, let's dive right in. Design. Starting with the design, the Acer 2023 Aspire Vero AV14 boasts a sleek and modern appearance. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it highly portable, ideal for those who are always on the go. The laptop features a stylish gray color that exudes professionalism, perfect for business environments. Display. Moving on to the display, this laptop offers a 14-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The IPS technology ensures vibrant colors, wide viewing angles, and excellent clarity, making it suitable for multimedia consumption and work-related tasks. Processor. Now let's talk about the processor. The Acer Aspire Vero AV14 is equipped with a powerful 12th generation Intel Core i7-1255U processor. This 10-core, 12-thread processor operates at a base frequency of 2.10 GHz, and it can reach a turbo frequency of up to 4.70 GHz. It provides robust performance for demanding applications and multitasking, allowing you to breeze through your tasks effortlessly. Memory and storage. When it comes to memory and storage, this laptop offers 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Additionally, it comes with a spacious 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, providing ample space for your files, documents, and media. The combination of fast memory and ample storage allows for quick data access and reduced loading times. Graphics. In terms of graphics, the Acer Aspire Vero AV14 features Intel Iris X graphics. While it may not be a dedicated graphics card, the integrated graphics provide sufficient power for most productivity tasks, content creation, and even some light gaming. Keyboard and trackpad. The laptop includes a backlit keyboard, allowing you to work efficiently even in low-light environments. The keys are well-spaced and offer a comfortable typing experience. Additionally, the laptop features a responsive trackpad, enabling smooth and precise navigation. Connectivity. Now let's talk about connectivity options. The Acer Aspire Vero AV14 comes with Wi-Fi 6E AX211, which supports the latest wireless standards for faster and more reliable internet connectivity. It also features Bluetooth 5.1, allowing you to connect your wireless peripherals with ease. In terms of ports, you'll find two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, one USB-C 3.2 Gen port, an HDMI 2.0 port, and a headphone and microphone combo port. Speaker. The laptop is equipped with built-in speakers that deliver decent sound quality. While they may not provide audiophile-level audio, they are more than sufficient for casual media consumption and video conferencing. Battery and cooling. Battery life is always an important consideration, and the Acer Aspire Vero AV14 doesn't disappoint. With its efficient hardware and power management, it offers a respectable battery life that should last you through a full workday on a single charge. Additionally, the laptop features effective cooling system to prevent overheating and maintain optimal performance, even during demanding tasks. Webcam. In today's era of remote work and video conferencing, a good webcam is essential. The Acer Aspire Vero AV14 comes equipped with a high-quality webcam that captures sharp and clear video, ensuring that you can engage in video calls and virtual meetings with ease. Operating system. Now, let's talk about the operating system. The Acer Aspire Vero AV14 runs on the latest Windows 11 Pro Home, 64-bit, operating system. Windows 11 brings a fresh and intuitive interface, enhanced productivity features, and improved security, providing a seamless user experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Acer 2023 Aspire Vero AV14 14-inch FHD Business Laptop is a fantastic option for professionals who value both style and performance. Its sleek design, vibrant display, powerful processor, ample memory and storage, and convenient features like the backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader make it a versatile device for productivity and entertainment needs. With its reliable connectivity options, decent speakers, long battery life, and efficient cooling system, this laptop is a reliable companion for work and play. Specification table. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the specifications of the Acer 2023 Aspire Vero AV14. And there you have it. The Acer 2023 Aspire Vero AV14 14-inch FHD Business Laptop combines style, power, and functionality to meet the needs of professionals. If you're interested in purchasing this laptop, make sure to check the link in the description below for the Amazon product page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.